forecast, and it's looking like some spooky weather coming this weekend.
Well, it's a big change, yeah. It's going to be something more reminiscent of early November than maybe early or mid-October. We had some great weather yesterday. Very typical October day. We reached mid-60s. We had a lot of sunshine. That's not to say that Saturday's weather wasn't typical of October. We had 50s and rain. Both can happen this time of the year. Both featured some wind. Yesterday, though, definitely a cheerier looking day. Looking eastward, this is time-lapse from our Louis Dodado camera in Austin, managing mid-60s yesterday after a cool start. And see a beautiful sunset going on there. And now looking live at the rising sun. There it is as we look toward the east on this Monday morning. Good-looking start today. Certainly a day filled with promise as we enjoy a break from rain and wind. Here's the situation in Lake City, the Pearl of the Lake. There's the boat, the Pearl of the Lake boat, and there it is, Lake Pepin, and a gem of a day at the Pearl of the Lake. And a good-looking start to the week. Plenty of sunshine, temperatures in the 40s in Lake City. Same deal here in Rochester, blue sky overhead as we kick off this work week with a very seasonably cool morning. 44, a light west breeze. Here's our Louis Dodado camera from the studio. It feels like 39, air pressure steady, 30.15 inches of mercury. Regionally, yeah, we're all kind of the same boat. Osage a little bit cooler, 41 there. Mesa City, 43. Right now, Dodge Center, 43 as well. Mild sunshine today. We warm up from here to the mid-60s. So similar to what we had yesterday. Yesterday, we had 38-mile-per-hour gusts. Today, we're talking somewhere more in the line of maybe a 12 or 15, 18-mile-per-hour gusts. That's about it. Much less wind today, but it's going to be breezier and maybe a little warmer as well, though, for the next couple of days, before you see the wind become much more raw and unpleasant. Looking at the totals, I just got this for the Weather Service. Snowfall numbers from Rochester. First average snowfall October 20th. That's average for the last 30 years. Measurable snowfall November 5th, and the average first 1 inch plus snowfall is November 20th. So we typically see snow this time of the year, but maybe a couple of weeks ahead of time if we were to get some this week for the seasonal average. Though the last couple of years we've done it relatively early on and mid and latter part of the month. The skies have cleared off. No snow in sight today. No rain in sight for that matter. We're kind of grateful for that. High pressure in the region bringing us a quiet, sun-filled day. Next storm system just now reaching the Pacific Northwest. That will take a few days to get here, but its impact will be felt mostly starting Thursday and right through the weekend. That's going to be quite a dynamic system that takes days to move on through. But 46, the morning commute, tranquil commute with a light breeze, a lot of sunshine to start the week. This morning, Rochester 44 right now. 39 in International Falls, Lincoln, Nebraska, a little bit cooler there. 38 in North Platte, only 30. But day plan is showing plenty of sunshine, maybe a handful of fair weather clouds this afternoon, but otherwise mostly sunny. Fairly light west breeze, 64 the expected high. Sunset 6:40. There's that high pressure on Futurecast. That's going to stick around, making for a tranquil start to the week. Tons of sun, mid-60s tomorrow, maybe even a few degrees warmer. More of a southerly breeze behind that high pressure. In fact, temperatures tonight won't be quite as cool because we'll stay in the mid and upper 40s as that warmer air begins to work its way in. Tomorrow, breezy. Same deal on Wednesday. Gustier winds out of the south at times reaching 30 miles per hour. But the rain with that system still days off. The first round of rain will roll in late Wednesday night into Thursday. And it looks like we may have some soaker showers on Thursday. Some downpours of rain possible. Not a lot of thunder, but maybe some showers ahead of that system. And then cold rain with falling temperatures on Friday. As the system moves down through and the cold air begins to really pour in. Temperatures by then much cooler than the seasonal average, 63 right now, the climate average. And the weekend certainly way off the mark there. Like I said, November-like with those low 40s for high temperatures and overnight lows maybe below freezing over the weekend. 64 in Rochester today, Austin 66. Mostly sunny skies, winds are in that 10-mile-per-hour range for the most part. Tonight, mainly clear skies, 45. Temperatures actually may begin to rise after midnight. The 7-day forecast, breezy and mild next couple of days. Even Thursday, not a terrible day as temperatures go, but kind of a soggy day. And then Friday, cold, wind-driven rain. Falling temperatures, we'll see 40s in the afternoon after a morning high of 50. And then Saturday and even Sunday may feature some snow mixed in with that rain at times. Now, it's early to say if we'll see accumulation, but we said that would be just a little bit ahead of the seasonal average for the first measurable, or the first trace of snow, or even measurable snow for that matter. But we typically see that maybe a week beyond this weekend, but we'll wait and see what happens. But October snow, not unheard of, unfortunately.
So much more fun to talk about October sun, like what we had yesterday. We were in Wisconsin at an apple orchard yesterday afternoon, and with the sun and the warmth and live music and a food truck, there were so many people there. It was really fun afternoon.
Yeah, it was nice to get a break from the rain and have that beautiful October sun and the leaves really beginning to reach their bright foliage brilliance at this point.
Some nice